Good evening from North Tyrone. Today I'm unboxing a faulty Milwaukee drill that I won a fierce bidding war for on eBay. The thinking behind this is to try and fix it cheaply and have a usable drill or sellable asset at a relatively low cost while indulging my passion hobby of fixing these things. We'll just get rid of the box, see what we've got. It's a Milwaukee Drill driver, 2-speed. It's the brushed version. You can't see it in this angle, but I can see the brush card in there. It's not a bad model. You see that there? It says US. This is actually a United States one. It's not a UK made one. That will not make any difference. I think the parts should be the same. I should be able to still get parts. It looks identical to the UK model, UK spec model that I'll be familiar with. The chuck seems to have done a bit of work, but it's working fine. I'd be pretty happy with that. 2-speed. Ring's moving as it should anyway, so that's good. So the next thing is to try a battery end. Bought this on eBay, like I've said earlier, as not working, faulty, or for parts. So it's one of them three categories. It is going apparently, but I don't know how well. It could go on fire in the worst case scenario, but we'll try it on. But a nice big 5-amp battery, which is fully charged, isn't it? Look, you can see the sparks. You can't tell, there's actually a burning smell, so I would say probably the armature and the brushes need replaced. Still worth doing, and they should have a fairly usable drill. It'd be great if we just got away with brushes. I'll be able to show you another video. I'll do another video later on that'll show you what is actually wrong. I'll do a diagnosis video. But that's it for now. Catch you in the next video.